Welcome to Shelly's Cuisine. Today I am going to make bruschetta. So we're going to start off with a pint of cherry tomatoes. I've halved them and very simple. I have 2 tablespoons of Spanish onion. You have to use Spanish onion, okay? Not yellow. It gives a better flavor. I have 1 garlic clove chopped very fine, okay? And you have to have basil. How can you make bruschetta without basil? So you shred, make little basil ribbons. So that is about, probably 3 basil leaves. And I am going to put a little touch of lime, just a touch. As I said, it was a touch. And I'm gonna use my sea salt, my rosemary sea salt that I put on everything. And I'm gonna put black pepper. So that's about a half teaspoon of rosemary sea salt and about a half teaspoon of black pepper. And of course, olive oil. Again, use a very good olive oil. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is my Persian lime olive oil from Saratoga Olive Oil Company. I love their olive oils. It's my favorite olive oil. And so, it's that simple. And when this sets for a little bit in the fridge, it's great. And so now, we have our bruschetta. Time to taste. I like this, and it really is good. After the oil and the sea salt, the black pepper and everything sits for a while. So, beautiful flavor, and it helps to have a good olive oil. So, thank you for making bruschetta with us today. Remember that you can use plum tomato and you can cut your tomatoes smaller. So, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shelly's Cuisine. Please hit the notification button. Look for this bruschetta recipe, and we are going to make bruschetta potato salad in a future recipe. And so, look for that recipe as well on www.shellyscuisine.com. Tune in next week to find out what we will twist next.